Darling, you send me. I know you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Zifa. It's nice to meet you. So today I have a super exciting video. So I'm going to be doing like a concert get ready with me. This outfit, I'm going to be doing hair, outfit and makeup, and this is all what I wore to the Taylor Swift concert, which I went to 3 weeks ago. So I went to the concert with my sister and her friend, which is now my friend as well. Yeah, we all went up and it was in the capital of my country, so that is about 4 hours drive away. So yeah, so I'm basically, that's besides the point, I'm basically going to be redoing that whole look today. So I'm wearing a little green top just so you know that I have cool, well I suppose you can see it, but whatever. But we're just gonna jump right into it, and it might be a long video. I'm not promising anything, but if I was you, I would grab your tea, because I have my tea. This cup is so cute. It has cactuses on it. I love tea. I really love tea, so it just doesn't get any better than this. So I'm going to be starting off as always with the 4-in-1 Tarte Rainforest of the Sea spray. I love that stuff. I think it's really great. For foundations, I'm going to be mixing the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea and the Born This Way one, just because the colours are, one is a little bit too, one is like daytime look and then the other one is a bit dark. So I'm just going to be taking the tiniest little pump of Born This Way and then mixing it in with. So I have a lot of updates for you. So the first thing is about this concert video. So about the concert, I went a while ago, and I really love making YouTube videos for the memories, but if I insert clips of the concert to this video, it's kind of going to be a bit too long. Some people might like it, some people might love it, but sometimes if you do that, because I did it with the last Taylor Swift concert I went to, and the video was actually removed due to like copyright reasons, because it was like too much of the same song or something, which I totally get, and stuff. So yes, so the video isn't available all around the world, but it is available in parts, like in some parts of the world. So I was thinking about doing this Reputation tour version of that. Yeah, so I basically was just thinking about having all the videos and the photos from the concert in a separate video, uploading it to YouTube and putting it as unlisted. That way people, whoever wants to watch it, can watch it, and it doesn't waste people's time. And then this video won't be affected by it. So I think that's what I will do. So I'm gonna be uploading it and have it ready for the same time this video goes live, and I'll just have the link in the description, and the first link in the description of the concert video. I just want to do this kind of like, I know it would be fun to see, and I like, you know, watching stuff like that. If I like the person. This is Taylor Swift, by the way, just in case I didn't mention that. But I like it for even me, like going back and like watching the memories and stuff. I'll also have like the pictures of like myself and stuff, and of my friends, the pictures we took, so like, you know, before the concert and stuff, you know, just to keep them all together for the sake of memories. just going to be blending this in a little bit more, just with a little beauty blender. It's not a real one, it's a fake, like a cheaper one, but just going to be blending it all in together. So for concealer, I'm going to be using a mixture of the Pro Concealer by LA Girl and then the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. So another thing that I wanted to talk about was I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, hopefully sometime next week, but right now I'm just after hitting 400 subscribers, and thank you so much, by the way. I didn't really imagine myself ever to be hitting 4,000 subscribers, but I'm very, very grateful. I've met some amazing people over not met them, but you know, met them online kind of thing, because of YouTube, and we talk, you know, daily. Some of us talk daily and stuff, and some just weekly, or just the odd message weekly, but I think it's so cool and I'm so grateful for that. For 500 subscribers, I was thinking about doing something like, you know, just to kind of like mark the occasion. That's kind of like a little special thing all in all, and I was thinking about doing like a personal like Q&A, so you can, so obviously I'm gonna like, okay, so obviously like it's a while off yet, maybe about a month and a half away or a month away, I'm not really sure, but and I just wanted people just to know that if you wanted to ask me any questions on any video that I have, feel free, because I will just be taking note of them from like now on, just to have enough questions to do the video. So yeah, so just anything you really want to know about me, really, like it can be anything, or it can just be literally any questions, whatever you're feeling like, I will answer them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I thought it would be like a fun way to kind of celebrate, and then also like when someone asks me a question, I can like put it on the screen and kind of give their, like, if they have a channel, like just a little shout out or something. I thought that would be a fun way to, you know, include everyone in it, and then like also have fun and celebrate the occasion and stuff. And it's something I haven't actually done on my channel. I have not done like a Q&A or anything before, so I thought it would be really fun. I'm looking really, really white right now, but I think it's the camera. I hope it's the camera. So for eyebrows, I'm going to be using the NYX Tame and Frame. So I'm going to be taking a little eyebrow brush, just a little angled brush, and I'm going to be placing some of the product in the lid, and I'm going to be working from the lid. I think this is way easier when working with like a product like this, although the lid does get kind of disgusting looking and messy looking, but it does help out. So I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm kind of going to be doing them kind of heavy and stuff, just because I'm wearing like big lashes and I don't want it to look like I have no eyebrows. Okay, so that is my eyebrows done. They look a little bit crazy because I have nothing else done. So for powder, I'm going to be using the Stay Matte in the shade Silky Beige for all around my face, and then for under my eyes, I'm going to be using this Isadora powder. It's like super white, but I'm going to be like baking with this powder basically. So first of all, I'm just going to get any creases out of my eyes. And then we're going to be rubbing this into the powder and just kind of like pressing it on. And then I'm just going to be getting a big fluffy brush and going in all around my face. Now that I am all set, I am going to be going in with bronzer. So for bronzer, I'm just going to be using the Hoola Benefit. This is my absolute favourite. I honestly don't know what I did before it. Like, I just don't, like, it's just insane. So I'm just gonna be going in on so my camera cut out because of the heat. It got too heated. It was filming for 10 minutes, and also it's like 30 degrees in here, so that's what happened. So I finished up my thing even though it looks patchy AF. So I'm gonna move on to blush and highlighter. So for blush I'm using the Catrice multi blush in the shade Strawberry Frappuccino, the one I always use, and then I'm using the beautiful Anastasia Beverly Hills Amorcy, I think it's called, and I'm going to be using this as well. So I'm quickly just going to pop these two on. And I'm also going to bring a bit of blush down the center of my face because I feel like it kind of gives you like a natural kind of finish. So I'm going to be using my favourite highlighter brush. This is the Morphe M501. It's super beautiful and it fits perfectly on my cheekbone. And I'm just going to be putting it on my cheekbone, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be jumping into eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. I wonder, does anyone actually use the brushes that comes with palettes, because I never ever do. So the first shade I'm going to be dipping into is Orange Soda, which is this shade right here. And then I'm going to be going in with Burnt Orange just on the outer corner, just to kind of deepen it up gradually. And then right on the outer corner I'm going to be going in with Cypress, whatever it's called, Cypress. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to speed it up really quickly just to save some time. For underneath the eye I'm going to be going in with Burnt Orange. And I'm just going to be tapping off the excess and just running this all underneath my eyeball. And for the inner corner shade I'm going to be going in with the shade Fairy. I'm just going to be picking this up with my finger and placing it on the inner corner of my lid and the middle. I'm gonna go back in with a little brush and I'm just gonna be kind of like blending out the edges. And going back in with a tiny bit of burnt soda and like using that to kind of blend out the edges as well. Just so it flows more naturally together. Okay, so that is for my eyes, my eyeshadow. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be coating my... Sorry if the camera angle moved, I just knocked my camera stand. But the next thing I'm going to be doing is coating my lashes with the Essence Rockin' Doll lashes. And then I'm going to be popping on the Sosumi lashes in the shade, in the style Kylie. So I'm going to go off camera while I do that just because it takes me 62 years. And I don't want to bore you. Okay, so I am back with my lashes on. I have my mascara on the bottom lashes and I'm just going to be running in with a bit of lipstick. This is the Velvet Teddy by MAC. And I'm just going to be putting this on my lips. So that is basically all for the makeup look. So now I'm going to move on to hair. Okay, so for hair I had two little space buns and I had them split in the middle and I just had two little space buns, so I'm just going to be doing that today again. So I'm just going to be getting a little section of my hair. and I'm going to be doing the same with this side. So that is basically my hair done. It was down and it was curled. It's curly today, so I don't really need to curl it. And it just had 2 little tiny space buns, and that was my hair. So the next I'm going to be moving on to my outfit. Okay, so my background is crazy, but this is basically the outfit I wore to Taylor Swift. So I have a green. So I have a green bodysuit on, which is from Primark. It is really, really cute. I love the shade of it. And then I have some dungarees that are full length. I have them turned up at the bottom, and I have some original Vans on, or whatever, they're old school Vans. So I got this dungaree set from Boohoo. I have a Boohoo haul on my channel where I like tried this on and gave my first impressions. If you want to check it out, I will have the link in the cards. But yeah, I think this outfit is super, super cute. I love it with my shoes, and I just absolutely love this outfit. And it's nice and warm for a concert that's outside, and it's also really comfortable. So, and this is my hair as well. 2 little space buns and just down and curled. Also, before you go, please remember that you can leave any questions you want down below and I will answer them in my 500 subs video. And also the first link in the description will be the concert video and photo link, so you can check that out if you want. And if it doesn't work for you for some reason, I apologize, but there is no buts. I apologize, and that's all I can do. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video.